Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is not for all Scorpios. For some of you guys, it could not be your story. And it could not be your energy. So please, use your own discernment. I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Divine God and Goddess of all beings. Divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you that the energy of this reading could be a reversal. If this is not your story and your energy, don't manifest it, okay? First, we have the Justice. Oh my gosh, I love this card for you guys. This is the cause and effect, the consequences of someone's action. For some of you guys, it could be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who has an authority. Could be a lawyer or a judge. It could also be that this is related to litigation in the court. This is related to law and order. Rest assured that this is in your favor. Because for some of you guys, you call the justice. And the universe give you the truth, the clarity, and the honest and fair judgment. It could also be that there are people now, especially the people in the past, have seen the truth of who you are. This is the people who mess you up, who misjudge you, who did unjust on you in the past. For some of these people, guys, they want to return, to apologize, and if possible, to reconcile with you. Nonetheless, forgiveness is important here in order for you to unblock your blessings. When it comes to reconciliation, I don't know your whole story. I couldn't recommend you because everyone is different. You can also forgive this person or group of people in silence as long as your conscience is clear. It could also be that whatever they have done to you in the past are now exposed. There could be an exposure of the truth. This is related to injustice. For some of you, it could also be related to an inheritance, a business, or a divorce. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor. The justice is just like also the well of karma. What goes around comes back around. This is the consequences of someone's action, the cause and effect. Could be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? Let me see your present energy is The Seven of Swords. Oh my gosh. For some of you guys, I am going to remind you that there are people in your life who are pretending as your friends, your families, or your allies, but the truth are not. This person, a group of people, plan to sabotage you, to manipulate you, to trick you, to steal from you. Could be your ideas, your time, or your property. I don't know what this is all about. Be very careful with whom you are inviting somebody else in your home. Somebody here wants to steal from you, wants to trick or sabotage you. Could also be a group of 7 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 7. You could be born on the 7th of the month. You could be born on 1977. You could be 77 years old if you are watching tarot. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is related to your lucky breaks. Because this person, a group of people, don't like it. Because you are aligning with your like-minded people. This is related to your spiritual growth. And they hate it because this person or group of people are heartless. They don't care with whom they are going to be hurt. Hurt people hurt people. I don't know who is this person or group of people in your life. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Could also be that you are dealing or attracting an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Not necessary. Could also be a group of 7 people. Remember, your first card is an air sign, Libra. There could be a correlation with your first card and your second card, which is your present energy. Somebody here don't like that you receive justice. Somebody hate it that you knew the truth. Could also be that you are exposing the truth of this person or group of people. I don't know what is the nature of your job. And others of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You are snaking away from this person or group of people. Could also be that you are exposing the truth of this person or group of people, but you are snaking away. You are hiding. Because you are tired and sick with their drama, with their BS. They are a nosy people. Sorry guys. My sore throat is not okay. There could be somebody wants to block my throat chakra. They doesn't want me to speak out. And I feel like this person or group of people plan to sabotage you. Or they viewed you that you are doing self-sabotage. Because you are snaking away from this person or group of people. You have nothing to do with them. Because they cause you too much pain and burdens. In your mind and in your heart. They stab you with the 7 of Swords. And I fully understand if you have nothing to do with them. Could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If this is a new person, this person viewed you that you are snaking away. That you are not, mingle with other people. I don't know what happened with my truth chakra before. I'm okay. Somebody doesn't want me to speak out. And I feel like they are believing that you did self-sabotage, but the truth is not. You are only tired and sick with their intervention of your work. Because they are snaky. They did wishy-washy. They tried to manipulate you, to play mind games on you. Could also be that you are dealing with a group of 7 people who are very manipulative, toxic, narcissists, and very controlling. This could be in the past. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The future energy is the Ace of Swords. Remember, in your last reading, it was also come out. This is again an air sign. Your first card is an air sign, the Justice. And your present card is the 7 of Swords, which is also an air sign. And this is also an air sign. This is your victory, your breakthrough. And you'll break free. Because you have a mental clarity. In your last reading, it was also come out, your breakthrough. It could also be that somebody here wants to offer you these new ideas. I don't know, which is related to project, a new perspective, because they have seen that you have victory and success. But you are snaking away from this person or group of people because you have learned your lesson. You are tired and sick. This Ace of Swords could be a new person, and they viewed you that you are snaking away from them because this person or group of people in the past tried to sabotage you, and at present they plan to sabotage you. Be very careful with whom you have access in your life, with whom you are telling your secret, because not all people who calls your name is for you. Others of you, it could also be that this person wants to offer you a new job. This could be a signing of contract related to a new ideas, a new project, or a new perspective. Somebody here wants to tell you the truth. Somebody here wants clarity in this situation. I don't know. Could be that this person is a new person. Could be that you are dealing or attracting an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. This person is awakened. This person has seen the truth of who you are. But the problem is this person viewed you that you are snaking away. They are strategizing on how to communicate and how to approach you. And they viewed you that you are snaking away because of this group of people who are heartless, who are lack of self-esteem. Sorry, who has a low self-esteem. I'm sorry guys, I'm not going to speak Dutch. And I fully understand if you're snaking away from this person or group of people because you are tired and sick with their manipulation tactics. Be very strategic, be very logical, analytical, and skeptical, especially if you're going to communicate with this person. Somebody here plan to sabotage you. I don't know what this is all about. Take only what fits in your story, and the outcome of this reading is the 5 of Swords. Oh my gosh, again, an air sign energy. All your readings here is related to swords, related to logic, communication, creating new ideas, new project. This could be a group of 5 people in the past. This person, a group of 5 people, are now feeling defeated because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. They are the people who are spreading lies and rumors about you. They are gossiping about your life. They are talking about what happened with Scorpio. Why Scorpio have a justice? Why Scorpio didn't communicate us? Why Scorpio cut off the ties? You know why? Because this person or group of people, all they can do is to manipulate you, to sabotage you. You look 7 of Swords, 5 of Swords. You know why? Because of jealousy and envy. Their dreams is, shattered. And they have seen that you are strong. That you have justice here. And this person or group of people are gossiping. Still gossiping on you, spreading lies and rumors about you. They slandered your name, they tarnish your reputation, because that's all what they can do. You have heard justice. This person or group of people are living the lives of other people. They are living your lives instead of living their own lives. You know why? Because they are insecure, they are desperate, they are insatiable. For some of these people, guys, of course, they have a low vibrational spirits. And that's why instead of focusing themselves, they focus on you, which is wasting of time. And when you have success and victory, they are more angry and jealous on you. You know why? Because they are focusing on you instead of focusing their work, right? It could also be that in the past, they engage you to bullying, mobbing, or they are laughing in front of you because they want you to react, but you don't care. You have learned your lesson. They can laugh without end because you knew how to pick your battles wisely. Now they are planning to sabotage you because they couldn't stand it. Why Scorpio didn't react? Why Scorpio cut off the ties? Why Scorpio didn't communicate us anymore? You know why? Why Scorpio did that to you, cross watchers? Because of your manipulation tactics, mind games. Scorpio is not an idiot. If you are cross watchers in this reading, I'm sorry. If you are on the right path, this is your reading. Because I never say that all Scorpios are good. I said if you are on the right path, Scorpio. If you are innocent, this is your readings. And this person or group of people couldn't stop spreading lies and rumors on you because they believe that they are better than you. They can mock you down. The truth is they are nothing. You are better than them. All because of jealousy and envy. Because you have heard justice. They couldn't believe. And for some of these people, guys, they hate it that you tell the truth about them. And the truth come out from this person or group of people. You have heard justice because the justice takes over. You call the justice. And the truth comes out. An illumination. And they couldn't believe. And that's why they tried to sabotage you. For some of you, you're snaking away because of their BS. You are tired and sick. You look, the 7 of Swords and the 5 of Swords, this is not a joke. They put 12 swords on your back. And I fully understand you have gone through a lot of pain from this person or group of people. All because of jealousy and envy. And now they're still spreading lies and rumors about you. But you don't care. The universe advised you to surrender this battle. This is not your battles. This is the battles of the group of people who are insatiable, who are powerless, whose dreams are shattered. All they can do is to manipulate other people, to control the life of other people, and to collaborate. Could be a collaboration. A group of 7 people and a group of 5 people. They couldn't knock you down alone because you are strong. That's why they need collaboration. A collaboration of dark forces. Could be a minimum of 7 people or 5 people. You could be an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, or a chosen one. And that's why this person or group of people are collaborating against you. Because they are the spiritual, the monitoring spirits of the darkness. And they are spiritual haters for some of these people, guys. But they couldn't knock you down because justice is in your favor. And that's why they are triggered. They are mad. They are angry and jealous. Why Scorpio have justice in silence? The Scorpio took the justice in silence because Scorpio doesn't want you to know with your manipulation tactics. Scorpio learned the lesson, cross watchers. And now, they are feeling defeated. But they still wants to. They are not enough with their karma. These are the people who are, wicked. I'm sorry. They couldn't enough with their karma. But they don't care because their lives are falling apart. All they can do is to ruin the reputation of other people, to spread lies and rumors, because they believe that they will become better, that the people will believe on them. I don't think that the people believe in them anymore, because the people have seen the truth, the justice of who you are. It could also be that they are now experiencing the bullying because of what they have done on you. It backfires on them. All the lies, the rumors, the gossips spreading about you, because they spread lies and rumors about you, now turns against them because the people have seen the truth, the justice, and now they are planning to sabotage you. But because they are not enough, I don't understand with this person or group of people. They couldn't believe that you have justice and you have victory, because these are the cards come out here. And that's why they couldn't handle it. They thought that they already have you in their hands. But no. Especially if you are a spiritual warrior, an earth angel, or a chosen one. And this person or group of people now still trying to plan to sabotage you. I don't know. Be very careful with this person or group of people. And don't engage your energy. all they can do is to sabotage you because they have no access in your life. You cut off the ties, you block in your social media, you give them a silent treatment, you move in silence, and that's why they're pissed off. They are mad and angry, and aside from that, they are jealous on you because you have victory and justice. You look, victory, Ace of Swords, and justice. And now they are so mad and angry because you are no longer communicating with them anymore. You cut off the ties because of their BS. You have gone through a lot of pain from this person or group of people, and I fully understand. You look, the 7 of Swords and the 5 of Swords, this is not a joke. You could be born in 1975, 1977. You could be 55 years old. You could be 57 years old. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you, this is an unexpected change in your life, the number 5. And that's why this person, a group of people are triggered. Oh my gosh. They are now more jealous and envy on you because they couldn't knock you down. You have heard justice and victory. But they're still trying because they are not enough with their karma. Well, they can try. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to surrender this battle. This is not your battle. You have already justice her and victory. There are people who are triggered with your truth, with the justice and your victory. You know why? Because they couldn't sabotage you anymore. They couldn't manipulate you. This could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. More on Aquarius energy. Because the 5 of Swords and the 7 of Swords are embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Or you are dealing with a person who has an authority. A Libra could also be. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If this is a new person, this person wants to offer you a new ideas. This person wants the truth and the clarity. This person couldn't believe that you are snaking away. They viewed you that you have lots of ideas. But because of your past experience from this person or group of people who are haters, whose life are falling apart. They don't care because their life is already falling apart. These are all the people who are the monitoring spirits of the darkness. And that's why they keep on doing this on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Surrender this battle to the Divine Most High. Continue to meditate and pray. This is not your battle. These are the battles of the demonic people who wants to slander you, who wants to devour you, because they are triggered with your lights, with your truth. There is something inside you that they don't have and they couldn't have. All they can do is to try to engage you in conflict and drama. I don't think that they will succeed because you choose your battles wisely and surrender them to the Divine Most High. You will receive a clear and clean victory. Clarify me, Father. Why the justice in this reading? Tell me more about the justice here, please. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as the house. This person could be living in your house, or this person is your neighbor. Because there could be a significant meaning with the house here. It could be that this person is living in your house or in the corner, or this person is your neighbor who did unjust on you. And now, you have a justice here. This person or group of people slandered your name, spreading lies and rumors about you, but now, it turns against them. They are the one who is the liar because the people have seen the justice. Maybe they can manipulate some other people who are low vibes. These 5 people, they can manipulate. And the 7 people, they can manipulate. But majority of the people have seen the truth of who you are. There could also be a significant meaning for you with the house. Or this is related to a house. And there could be a litigation in the court here. But this is in your favor. Because the justice is in your favor. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the justice in this reading? Please tell me more about the justice here, please. Why the justice in this reading? It is clarified as time, waiting, cycles, moments. Could be that somebody here wants to communicate with you, but they are waiting the right time, the right moment. Because they have seen the truth of who you are. Or you expose the truth of this person. And that's why they want to communicate with you. They are strategizing on how to approach you. For some of these people, guys, if they are in the past people, they are already running out of time. I don't think that you are going to reconcile with them. Because somebody here wants to return, to apologize, and to reconcile with you. I don't think that you are going to reconcile with them. That's why they are running out of time. It's too late. Because everything exposed. The justice. Could be a Libra involved here. An air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Because these are the cards come out here. If this is a new person, this person is waiting the right time to communicate and to approach you. They are still strategizing on how to approach you. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the Seven of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more about the Seven of Swords here. Can you imagine? You get your justice in silence, and that's why they are triggered. Oh my gosh. It's clarified as the mountain. Obstacles, hindrances, delays, stubbornness. I told you, this group of 7 people wants to put delays in your work. They want to put obstacles, hindrance. Because they hate it that you have justice. They hate it that you knew the truth and you exposed the truth. All they can do is to sabotage, to manipulate, because they are nothing. They are living the lives of other people. We are the low vibes energy vampires. Because they are the monitoring spirits of the darkness. That's why their hearts are full of hatred and envy. Could be a minimum of 7 people or 5 people. This could be a collaboration. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Take only what fits in your story. You see, they tried to put blockages and hindrances with your work. Because they have seen that the justice, they are not enough with their karma. They already received their karma because the justice is just like what goes around comes around. But they are not enough because their lives are falling apart. They don't care. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Oh my gosh, what kind of people they are. So heartless. Why the 7 of Swords in this reading? Tell me more. I want to laugh with this reading. Sorry guys, but I have to laugh. I relate it too much. Their dinner. Somebody here, if you are invited to a party or to gatherings, be very careful with your drinks. Because this is the part of sabotage. You look, 7 of Swords. A dinner is a waiter or a waitress. This waiter or a waitress could be gorgeous, amazing, beautiful, handsome, I don't know. They want to tempt you to drink. I don't know what this is all about. Be very careful because there could be a sleeping tablets here put inside your drinks. Because this is the part of manipulation, sabotage. Be very careful. Could be a group of 7 people who are planning this, or a group of 5 people who are mad, angry, and jealous because they are feeling defeated. Because all the lies, the rumors they spread about you didn't work. And these lies and rumors turns against them because the justice is in your favor. All they can do is to plan to sabotage you again and again and again and again. You know why? Because of jealousy and envy. They couldn't stand that you have justice, that you know the truth, that you expose the truth, and you have victory after victory after victory. And this person or group of people are triggered. The low vibes, energy draining vampires. Be very careful of your drinks wherever you are. Somebody here wants to put something inside your drink. I don't know what this is all about. Could be a poison as well, or a sleeping tablet. This is the part of their sabotage plan. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the Ace of Swords in this reading. Tell me more. Oh my gosh, this is heavy reading. There are lots of jealousy here. Mad, angry. It is clarified as, this is number 3. This is ship. Your ship is coming. Congratulations, Scorpio. This is related to your journey, that you are grounded. This is related to past traveling movements. You could also be traveled to other country, or you are going to relocate to other country. Maybe you are tired with your neighbors or the people who are living at present, with whom you are living at present. Somebody here wants to travel, wants to relocate. For some of you, this is related to your journey. And there is a past movements here. And this person, a group of people, wants to hinder. That's why they plan to sabotage you. Be very careful nowadays. Especially with whom you have contact and you are telling your private life. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the Ace of Swords here? Why the Ace of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more about the Ace of Swords. It is clarified as the 7th house. The 7th house is embodied the energy of Libra. It is interesting because you look, your first card is also Libra. This is related to love and partnership for some of you guys. This could be related to divorce, inheritance, your businesses. I don't know what this is all about. Because the Justicer is in your favor. Or there could be something significant will happen in Libra season. Or you are dealing with a person who has a Libra in their birth chart. Could also be a person who has an authority. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the Ace of Swords here? It could also be that this person is a judge or a lawyer, and they will tell you the truth about the case, the litigation in the court. That Scorpio, you win. You are the winner. The decision is there. Could be related to an inheritance. And this person wants to, this is a message. Could be a message from the court. You could be receiving a message from the court related to this, to the case. I don't know. Could be an inheritance, a divorce, or this could be related to your business, which is now in the court. This is related to law and order. It could also be that this letter is from the judge. This could be a decision in the court. I don't know what this is all about. Because somebody who wants to give you the truth and the clarity. Could also be a message. Could also be that this person wants to call you. Could also be a lawyer. Hey Scorpio, the decision is here and you won the case. And that's why all they can do is to spread lies and rumors about you, to gossip about you, because they knew they lost the game. And they are so angry and mad. Now they are planning to sabotage you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Be very careful, guys, nowadays, because some people are not the way who say they are. Clarify me, Father. Why the 5 of Swords have, please? Okay. Why the 5 of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the 5 of Swords. It is clarified as stress, turbulence, tension, arguments. I told you. Because they put you in an argument. Now they are stressed. This person, a group of people, are now feeling defeated, but they're still gossiping on you. But the people that didn't believe it anymore. There could be a group of 5 people believe in them, or a group of 7 people. This could be their collaboration team. But people don't believe in them anymore because the people have seen the truth, the justice. And they have now stress. For some of these people, guys, they couldn't sleep, but they are pretending that their lives are okay because they are a good pretender. I told you. They engage you to turbulence, arguments, and tension. Now, they are the one who is experiencing this because everything backfires on them. The justice is here. You have her victory. This could be related as well to the law and order in the court. You are going to receive this message from the court, the decision of the court. It could be related to inheritance, divorce, or related to your business, your legacy. I don't know what this is all about. And they are sneaking on you. They couldn't snake you because you're snaking away. You are more. They are not smart. They thought that they can manipulate you, and now they are planning to sabotage you with a party, a drinks. Be very careful with your drinks. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the 5 of Swords in this reading? Oh my gosh. Why the 5 of Swords here, please? Tell me more. You are advised to liberate your thoughts from this person or group of people to detoxify yourself. Because you have too much negative energy dealing with this person or group of people who are wicked as hell. That is clarified as 36. You could be 36 years old. You could be born on 1963. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 333, 666. You could be 66 years old if you're watching tarot, or 62 years old. I don't know. 33, 66. This is related to your creativity and your success for some of you guys. The number 36. It could also be that this person or group of people wants you to sacrifice because in the past they want to swap your destiny. A cross symbolizes as grief, destiny, religion, and belief. Now they are guilty. This is also related to guilt because of what they have done on you. But they don't care. They're still planning to sabotage you. They're still spreading lies and rumors about you because, as I've told you, their lives are falling apart. They are a group of people who are heartless. The people who has nothing to do in their lives but to hurt other people. Because hurt people hurt people. They want you to sacrifice. I don't think that you will sacrifice. Hello? This is related to your destiny. For some of these people, guys, they are religious haters, spiritual haters. And that's why they tried to destroy you. I don't think that they can destroy you. Good luck, cross watchers. Because they are not enough of their karma. The justice. What goes around comes back around. In the past, I feel like they tried to control your destiny. I couldn't believe and I couldn't understand this person or group of people. They couldn't control the destiny of other people because this is divinely given to you. How dare this person or group of people? It's because of jealousy and envy reigns in their ugly 4 souls. And that's why they planned, they did it to you. For some of you guys, you are innocent. I told you. Because they hate. They are triggered with your truth and your lights. Because they are the monitoring spirits of the darkness. Yeah, look, they tried to hinder your destiny. They want you to sacrifice. You are not sacrificing because you have heard justice and victory. And whatever they have done on you, they are now the one who sacrificed. Yeah, look. Because the bully, the gossips turns against them. You look, they are stressed. Because of the turbulence and arguments they did on you, backfires on them. You have victory and justice. And the peace of, because all they knew is they have you already in their hands. No. Because this person or group of people are very manipulative, cunning. Because of power hungry, money hungry. For some of these people, guys, they have lots of money than you. But they are insatiable. For some of these people, guys, they are powerful than you. But they are not satisfied with their power. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. The energy involved in this reading are an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If this resonates to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.